Hi folks, my name's Stephen Shale, Business Development Manager and Auctioneer for Success Realty, trading as Bayleys Bay of Plenty, Waikato and Taranaki. Here with my quarterly update message for you, an exciting time in real estate. So I want to look at some numbers first and then offer you some tips as we go away for our summer breaks and look forward to a 2024 year. Well, November figures are in and exciting, as I said. Our volumes very similar to the quarter three of 2022. Certainly our marketplace is operating in three different realms at present, with the Waikato at 58% of auction properties having sold, Bay of Plenty 26%, just over a quarter, and Taranaki running at about a third, but with $50 million under contract in November, showing a healthy marketplace. Then I want to reflect on the year with 3 quarters done, and we are now seeing some very good attraction. Waikato, 70% of all properties that have gone to auction have sold within their 90-day period. Bay of Plenty at 44% and Taranaki 68%. Now people go, well, what's normal? Well, normal, the previous financial year, 75% we came through in that 22 financial year, so we're almost there now. I'd predict that the 23 year is going to exceed that quite comfortably, with a further 20 properties under contract already, and December really operating the same as November did. Summer is coming and people are saying, what do we do? What's going to happen next year? And certainly the interest rate rises, well, they've settled, and that means that people can make informed decisions. Prices, well, they've also settled, so if you're a buyer waiting for properties to be cheaper, I can tell you they're not. They're going along quite flat at the moment, and we get some surprises coming through in our auction room with some competitive bidding on a number of properties also. Volumes of listings booked for February and onwards has already exceeded the current year, so that means there's going to be more properties to choose from, so competition for sellers too. Now let's look at sellers. The properties that we have on auction, the 45 auctions I called last week as an example, 23 of those have sold, and 23 properties with more than one bidder at their auctions. The other properties, no bidders. So we have bidders involved, a deal is happening. No bidders. What has that come down to? Is it the marketing's not quite right? Is it that the price expectation portrayed has not worked? So tips for sellers: destination value is not going to get your properties sold. You need to be realistic to the marketplace. You'll have a lot of information that will guide you: replacement costs, computer valuations, and so forth. But the reports from your agent will guide you to the current opinion from the buyers. And of course the auction is a competitive process to make sure that the buyers who secure your property have done so in a very transparent way, so you're comfortable that the market has been reached. So I'm looking forward to 2024. Certainly volume has increased, back on the road. Here comes 30,000 kilometres through our regions, and by product, whether it's country, commercial or residential, our team is more than happy to help you. Enjoy your summer break with your families, and we'll welcome you back here next year.